born in Zimbabwe, 1980 the year the flag rose. Yet in the shadows, the betrayal was already being written. Ken Flower and Dan Stannard, the architects of deceit behind the newly repackaged Central Intelligence CIO, Emasodabzo Mnangagwa, arm in arm with his Rhodesian master, Ken Flowers and Dan Stannard, stood not as liberator but as custodian of Rhodesian ghost. Salamida mashoko maternits arutaurwa aiwa nana Kirina Mjati vanokwa kunzi macritics vangofanana nana Temba Mliswa were criticizing another faction. As and we know, subscribe or like on the bell icon. Kirina Mjati and Ramira Chiti, what was presented as the birth of a national intelligence service was, in truth, a continuation of Rhodesian espionage, stuffed with men whose loyalties were shaped in the colonial shadows. The so-called rebirth of the CIO was nothing but the resurrection of colonial control, a serpent shedding its old skin to slither into the new Zimbabwe. Among the first recruits stood Christopher Mchangwa, a symbol of how the old order quietly embedded itself within the fabric of the new Zimbabwe. The first recruits were not revolutionaries, but Rhodesian informers chosen by ED for their obedience to empire. Among them stood Christopher Mchangwa, groomed in deceit, a servant of the same system our comrades died to destroy. The liberation flame was dimmed by betrayal, and from the treachery, a regime of darkness was born. We refused to be ruled by cowards who sold their souls to the colonial serpent. We will speak where they want silence. We will rise where they sow fear. We will unmask the imposters who walk in revolutionary robes but serves the ghost of the Rhodesian in their hearts. We vow upon the bones of our ancestors, upon the dust of Chimonyo and Nyazonya, the rivers that carry the blood of the brave, that no tyranny shall ever claim our silence gain. No traitor shall hide behind the flag of our fathers. No man shall mock the spirit of the Chimurenga and live without judgment. We are the storm they thought they'd passed, the fire they thought they buried. We are the children of the struggle and we rise again. And posted this picture amuri kuona iri rakanzi comrade sister. Mashoko ari kuda panguva ino ari kutaurwa naKirina Mjati achiexposa aiwa vanhu vanoonekwa kunzi vanozviita kunge vakaoccupy mapositions avari to liberate the country, but they are spying vachikonzeresa kuti nyika yeZimbabwe nevagari vayo vasafe. Pinda comment section yedu kuti mafunguro enyu mutulipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.